Celebrating your first Christmas in Canada. Between gifts, groceries, and travel costs, it can add up fast. Don't worry. In this video, we'll share innovative and straightforward tips on how to budget for your first Canadian Christmas without breaking the bank. Chapter 1. Set a holiday budget host. Start by deciding how much you can afford to spend overall and stick to it. Divide your budget into categories: gifts, food, travel, and entertainment. Apps like Mint or PocketGuard can help track expenses easily. Chapter 2. Save on gifts. You don't need to buy expensive gifts to show love. DIY presents, homemade treats, or Secret Santa exchanges are popular budget-friendly options. Black Friday and Boxing Day sales are fantastic opportunities to snag great deals. Chapter 3. Cut food costs. Cooking at home saves big. Plan your holiday meals and shop with a list to avoid overspending. Look for local food banks or community holiday dinners if you're short on resources. Canadians love helping newcomers. Chapter 4. Travel smart. Heading home or visiting friends. Book early for cheaper flights and consider bus or train options. If you're staying local, consider exploring free winter events or city light displays as alternatives to costly trips. A meaningful Christmas doesn't have to be expensive. It's about connection, not consumption. Like and subscribe for more on how to budget for your first Canadian Christmas, and visit canadianvisa.org to plan your successful journey in Canada.